The very first time when I met you, I can't forget how shy we were. Attraction wanted me to kiss you. Would you have said yes to me? I kept reminiscing the good times, the day our love was born. At first we both were speechless. I held your hands, it warmed mine. I didn't want to let it go. Remember what I told you, starting today, I'll be by your side, my love. I still remember our first dinner, while staring at your pretty face. Our smiles end up in silly laughter. True happiness, oh it was. It wakes me up from time to time. The dream of long ago, I'm glad it wasn't dreaming. My wife and children with me, proof that I'm blessed. Oh, thank you, God. Until I take my last breath, my heart shall sing. Love is for eternity. And I say to you again, I love you